Dr. Hussain, thank you so much for giving your time today. And Dubai Arbitration Week you have organized, M&Co has organized a couple of events. Do you want to throw some light on them?
I think I'm part of the organizing committee of DAO, Dubai Arbitration Week, and we have done an amazing thing with all the team members. And as we did a couple of sessions, we were very successful. One of the sessions was about supply chain and arbitration. So we invited the CEO of Suez Canal with the General Counsel of Abu Dhabi Ports for fire chat, speaking about the supply chain and important supply chain for the industry. And the second session was CEO of Adani Port and General Counsel Regional Africa and Middle East in DHL. They were discussing about the supply chain and whether arbitration can be a venue to resolve their dispute. As in today, actually, the supply chain is important, particularly in this time where the geopolitical shift is happening every other day. So basically, we want to know on how to quickly and efficiently resolve the dispute so that the operation goes.
Right. And Dr. Hussain, you played a foundational role in establishing DIFC Courts. Do you want to share your experience with that?
Yeah, because I remember when we started with Sir Anthony Evans and Michael Wang, actually there were no any building over here. We were literally in this tower, sitting there discussing how the court will be built. So I had opportunity to be part of this committee and listen to them and hear their vision about how to put common law in that.
Yes.
In paper it was easy, but I remember the frustration, the fear was among them, Sir Anthony Evans and Michael Wang and governments of the IFC talking about how to bring common law. Now it's easy to build the building, but it's difficult to build the jurisprudence, laws and regulation. The hardest part was not to build this building. The hardest part was convincing people we have a good laws and we have good judges and you can come and adjudicate very here. And I think successfully in the last 20 years, the IFC has done it actually, courts.
What are the challenges you face at this moment with DIFC Courts?
I think for me, it's shifting from Sharia law arguing, then going to civil law, which has its own well-established tradition and customs and values, and then you go to common law. It's a different words for me.
Right.
So, but Alhamdulillah, over the years, because I have been there for years, that helped me to break the ice. Today, I argue one day, I could argue on civil court in Arabic, then I go, afternoon, I might argue in front of one of the judges of the IFC for a quick application and all of that. And I think it helped me because I'm able to bridge the gap, because not always the IFC could be the seat for dispute, but however the applicable law could be civil law or Sharia law. So basically there is a room for me and they needed the people who has multi-skills.
Right.
With today in the IFC, it's although it's a common law, but it could be the law could be applicable law, could be Sharia law, could be civil law, could be Saudi law. So you need a lawyer who can argue, who understand. And I did that argument where I was speaking and arguing in front of one of the judges in the IFC about indemnity letter under UAE civil law, because the applicable law was UAE law.
Right.
And Sharia law about concept of gharar and explaining to English judge, which was very successful. So that's why in Dubai you need a multi-skilled lawyer who knows about the tradition of civil, Sharia and common law.
And you have been your journey has been an inspiration for all of us, because you have been with everything right from the scratch. You have developed, you have helped in, and Dubai Arbitration Week is all thanks to you. You have been a foundational part of it.
Oh, thank you very much. Yeah.
So, what is your future planning with the Dubai Arbitration Week? What do you think? How do you think you will make it to another level? Do you think you have achieved everything?
We achieved, but there is a lot, because we have a good committee. The committee is compromised. I cannot give you all the names like Karim Nassif, Roberts. We have Rita from DIAC. We have Nassif Mulheb, for example, Michelle. Sarah Aranjo, all of us, we sit together. And what important, we every year review what we have achieved, what the challenge we went through, and how we overcome the challenge, and we put objective for us for the next year, what we have done. Every year we do a review, every year we work, because if you are in the top, it's a more challenging, because you need to maintain it, you have to change, you have to take new challenge, come up with a creative idea, and put commitment for that, and it needs our commitment. So I think hopefully there is no something to stop, there is no end, there is always, you have to bring something, and you have to, and one of the things about arbitration week, it's not competition between different cities, it's building the ecosystem. And ecosystem means Indian, for example, New Delhi Arbitration Week, which I'm working with as well. I am part of Cyprus Arbitration Week and Egypt as well. So basically, we need to build an ecosystem for arbitration. So basically, and we need to build a way for younger generation of lawyers to come to the industry.
How many countries have participated in Dubai Arbitration Week?
I think I would not think less than 100 countries.
Whoa, that's amazing.
And one thing about Dubai Arbitration Week, we were very friendly with any legal firm. We didn't have any commitment. They were treated all equally. If you are a Marathi firm, if you are Indian, if you are an English firm, or if you are a firm from Germany, firm from Africa, you have the opportunity. We didn't put percentage. We said, well, this is international gathering, and we don't want to restrict them. If they want, they have to come. Welcome to the city. This is all about international. Arbitration is international, and this is the nature of arbitration.
My last question, Dr. Hussain. If you have to define Dubai Arbitration Week in one word.
I think Dubai is all about culture, exchange of ideas. That's what exchange of ideas and culture.
Lovely.
Those are two things, because people come. Today, for example, we in our office we hosted lawyers from different general counsel.
Yes.
General counsel had the opportunity to exchange idea with the lawyer. Lawyer had the opportunity to exchange.
Right.
They have set up, for example, today we put them relaxed setup where they were discussing. They understand our fear, our stress, and we understood their stress as well.
Right.
So putting them together, they don't have opportunity, but it's a good opportunity for exchanging idea and exchanging culture of understanding.
And it's a great point that we all are working on each other's strengths and not weaknesses. So thank you so much for giving your time, Dr. Hussain. It was lovely talking to you.